Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Good night.
Hello, good night, Andre.
Yes.
I'm living right this from Westmoreland. Let me tell you this. This time come for PMP because I never know how so Marlon and the whole crew of them wicked until me now want me over here something when them a talk about. Me don't know if you remember all the argument with PMP councillor on Westmoreland, the caretaker, within that whole rape scandal.
Yes.
All of them here in the meeting, the one named Kevin Murray is a brute. Him pay the woman $500,000 Jamaican to tell people about how the man raped him. And me hear firsthand. So I don't know. Me hear with my own ears. And me say, what a wicked people and the just the political benefit.
Lady, where's
Lady,
Lady,
he knows that if he do that, the man can't qualify for run the race. Because right now, if Kevin Murray was able to do that, the man could qualify for run the race. For the election.
So you said them saying at the meeting, say what?
Kevin Murray, Marlon Wilson, one other one named Ashaya, and two other girls. When them run around in Marlon, like Marlon used to involve with them. And them talking, I say this is a wicked act. For you make innocent people go down so. It's a wicked act for political benefit of myself and that's how they cut ties with them.
So you say and them pay the woman $500,000
Jamaican dollar. $500,000 Jamaican dollar. If you think I like me, I tell your connection stretch far and wide. Call and investigate and find out about your here where you go. $500,000 Jamaican dollar.
So you're saying they targeted the PNP caretaker?
Target the man. Because look, me this find a little bit hard, you know. But when me look at me, I say, because they have him as a little girlish, like love woman, and so. So when me see now, me say no, sir. But this a man here because the man, how me hear, you know, the man and the family was very, very close, you know. Like the man used to send the whole of them go to school. And the man used to send the big sister, the whole of them go to school. Why he never talk to the one where 18 or 20? But that never flicked to my mind. After me hear the argument, me look back into things and me say, what a wicked brute them. Disrupt them good man name. Because Kevin Murray was saying, could win the man. And he still not win the other lady, Joe Bardwell. And he do that.
Mighty God. These are serious allegations.
An allegation is the fact. Investigate it. Good night, sir.
500,000.
Jamaica, no hear that?
You see how facts.
Jamaica! No, Courtney.
500,000 Jamaica.
The woman said they sat and confirmed, Courtney,
On the table.
around the table that them pay the girl the 500,000.
He said
She got accused the man.
You're a fucking wicked man. And because of blood clot greed, you sit down there for blood clot 8 years and you full of blood clot crawl. You understand? And and then this is where you do the party.
What was the KCMC's contribution to these funds allocated to restore the theatre, if any? Question 3. If yes, how were those funds approved and dispersed? Question 3A. What is the gross expenditure to date? Question 3B. Provide full details. How were the materials and services procured? Question 3C. Did the procurement guidelines follow the law? Question 3D. When and how were those expenditures approved and paid? Question 3E. Who was the project officer assigned? Question 3F. Have you received the project officer's project brief or report? Question 3G. If yes, please share. Question 3H. If no, what action follows? Question 3I. Did the internal auditor have any information on these transactions? Question 4. How much money was approved to procure carpeting for the water theatre? Question 4A. Were the funds used to procure the carpet illegally approved and dispersed? Question 4B. Was the performance bond submitted as law demanded? Question 4C. If yes, when and what financial institution provided the bond? Question 4D. Can you say who decided to breach the law and what course of action followed, if any? Question 4E. Can you provide an update on the status of said carpet? Question 4F. Were funds advanced to lay the said carpet? Question 4G. If yes, how much? In light, the questions are closed. In light of the closing statement, in light of the gravity of the allegations regarding possible process violations, I recommend that the state anti-corruption agencies be engaged to determine whether there was any wrongdoing. Those are the setup questions.
Jamaica people no come here because me no understand how Venetia Phillips she left town come a country and have so much chat in a Westmoreland. Remember Venetia Phillips make the PNP lose Eastern St. Andrew by 2003. You can't talk nothing about Ian Eels in a Western Westmoreland, you know, because the man a put in the work, the man a no time for focus on Moreland Wilson. So when them send Venetia Phillips from town come a Westmoreland Western as Moreland Wilson campaign manager, let me tell you something, Moreland Wilson, Venetia is going to be your downfall. Venetia is the mole. She is the weapon that is forming against the Jamaica Labour Party. Is not Ian Miles or Garfield James. But Jamaica people, the deal was, the reason why Garfield James and Ian Miles jumped from the PNP and go over to the Jamaica Labour Party is because they had a deal. Ian Miles wanted to become the Member of Parliament and Garfield James wanted to become the mayor. Either way, but they had a deal. Either Garfield James wanted to become the MP and Ian Miles wanted to become the mayor, but them not get it because we all know, say the PNP take back them country, Westmoreland. 13 seat or 12 PNP win and them only win 3. But anyway, Jamaica, we see the Brockway and the Terry we are going down there in Westmoreland Western. And it is clear that the people them don't want Moreland Wilson. They want Garfield James. For whatever reason, them take set for Moreland Wilson. I'm getting to understand that ever since James and Miles win the division, they have not supported Moreland Wilson, which is bad, which is terrible. But at the end of the day, Jamaica, the fact of the matter is, Venetia Phillips is the problem. Uno remember say Venetia Phillips fuck up the whole of Eastern St. Andrew. Remember say Venetia Phillips caused the PNP to lose that constituency by 2003. You can't bring your mouth to Andre Hilton because Andre Hilton run up there and lose by 157. You, Venetia Phillips, mash up Eastern St. Andrew and lose by 2,300 and add. But I know Comrade Pat Duncan I got take it back for the PNP. But anyway, Jamaica, Westmoreland is in shambles. And if you don't know what I want to do, down there, Venetia Phillips is going to do the same thing what she do in the People's National Party. You need to kick out Venetia out of Westmoreland.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them